Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to fix OneDrive connection problem. If you're trying to open up your OneDrive account but you are going through the connection problem error, then here is how you can easily fix the issue. One of the basic fix is to check for your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. You can also try opening other websites or applications that requires internet access to confirm if your internet is working properly on your device. You can also try restarting your device, since sometimes a simple restart can fix temporary glitches. Another thing to look for is to check for a latest update for your application. Open up your App Store or your Play Store from your device and then go to the search box and type in OneDrive. Once you get to this page, look for the update button. If available, tap on update and get the latest version downloaded for your application. Once you are done with the download, you can open the app and then see if that fixes your issue. Also, make sure that you are using the latest software update for your operating system. Open up the settings button from your app drawer and then look for the settings interface. Go through the settings interface and tap on General. Tap the software update button and then look for available update for your device. If your operating system is up to date, you will be able to see this kind of an interface. If there is an update available, you will be able to see it on the display. Simply tap on download and then install the software update for your operating system. Once you have the latest operating system for your device, you might be able to fix your application problem. So that is how you can easily fix OneDrive connection problem within a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.